Well, Gav, if this game had ended just a few minutes earlier, I think this would be a very different interview. But how are you feeling?
I don't think it's just me, mate. I think it's majority of the team. It feels like we've lost. But I'm trying to say, let's be positive. We've been on a bad run, to be honest with you. And what I've asked the boys tonight is that effort, the desire, basically, to go and win your own battles on the pitch. And I think the boys done that for me. They've worked their socks off. And it was what you said. You know, it's unlucky not to come away with 3 points because that would have been massive for us.
Going into the break at 0-0. Were you looking at it 45 minutes ahead of you, all square? This is a real opportunity of getting a very positive result out of the game.
It was always going to be who's going to take the chances. Connor, fair dues to me, he pulled out some three fantastic saves. But then going the opposite way, you know, we had a good couple of chances as well. But personally, look, it was all about the work ethic. That was the whole point of tonight. You've got to come here and then you've got to win your own battles. And the boys did that.
Penybont before today, maybe you could argue they've been quite unlucky with some of the results. Do you think coming here, maybe people who would have thought as a newly promoted side gave them a bit of disrespect?
Well, if you're looking at the betting, to be honest with you, the betting today that they were odds-on favourites to win. So maybe I'll turn around and say to disrespect us. To be honest with you, I know we've been in a bad run, but we have played all the top boys. But my own personal view is, you know, we came here to try and stop them from playing. They didn't pass through us. They could have the ball at the back. You could see what they're trying to do. But then in the final third, we were fantastic. We defended very, very well. And hopefully we can do exactly the same next week.
The earliest goal in the second half seemed to give the boys a lot of confidence. Did you notice that from where you were?
I think, well, if you've been watching the last couple of games, to be honest, you know, we haven't had much confidence in the team, you know, and things have been going against us. Everything's been going against us. But I was trying to say to the boys, look, there's no harm tonight. It happens. But I'm hoping. I think last year we sneaked the draw when we've been on a bad run. And then we went on a 7-game run. So I'm hoping that could be the turn of tide for us, because there's a few things that could have gone the opposite way for us tonight and didn't. So cross fingers. I'm hoping that we'll perform again next week and then hopefully get 3 points on board.
As you said, so coming away from this game over the next few days, heading into next fixture, is it a lot of positives you'll be looking at from today's performance?
Massive positives, but I keep saying to them, I think the word of work ethic, and we had that tonight. We won our personal battles on the pitch, and fair dues, if we can take that into every game, you've got to have that desire to go and win the game, and hopefully we can turn up on Saturday and do exactly the same at home. So I think we are due one at Park Avenue.